He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of youthful charisma, emotional sincerity, and remarkable screen presence, Gordon Cormier didn't simply enter Hollywood as another child actor. He crafted an identity of his own, transforming a childhood passion for acting into one of the brightest young careers in modern television. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on October 8, 2009, in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, Gordon Cormier's journey began far from the massive film sets that would eventually shape his career. Raised in a supportive family and proud of his Filipino heritage through his mother, Gordon discovered his passion for performing at an early age. Acting quickly became more than just a hobby. It became the path through which he could tell stories, inspire audiences, and express creativity. His professional career started with commercials and television appearances that introduced him to the entertainment industry. Even in his earliest roles, Gordon impressed casting directors with his confidence, professionalism, and natural emotional range. Each project strengthened his abilities while preparing him for far bigger opportunities. The defining moment of his career arrived when Netflix cast him as Aang in the live-action adaptation of Avatar, The Last Airbender. As the young Avatar destined to restore balance to the world, Gordon inherited one of the most beloved characters in animation history. The role required extensive physical training, action choreography, emotional depth, and the responsibility of meeting the expectations of millions of longtime fans. By the time Season 2 entered production, Gordon had grown alongside the character himself. Audiences watched Aang evolve into a stronger leader while Gordon continued developing as an actor capable of balancing humor, vulnerability, courage, and determination. His performance established him as one of Hollywood's most promising young stars and significantly expanded his international recognition. By 2026, Gordon Cormier is widely recognized as one of the entertainment industry's brightest emerging talents. Industry professionals praise his maturity, audiences appreciate his authenticity, and filmmakers increasingly see him as an actor capable of leading major international productions. His career reflects steady development built on discipline rather than overnight fame. Off-screen, Gordon maintains a grounded and balanced lifestyle. Despite achieving worldwide recognition at a young age, he continues focusing on education, family, fitness, and personal growth. His public image reflects humility and gratitude, qualities that have earned him admiration from fans around the world. His fashion style reflects his youthful personality while continuing to mature alongside his career. Whether attending Netflix premieres, fan conventions, interviews, or award events, Gordon presents himself with confidence, simplicity, and authenticity. His approachable style has made him increasingly popular with photographers, entertainment media, and fashion observers. Although public curiosity surrounding his personal life continues to grow, Gordon remains focused primarily on acting and professional development. He consistently chooses to let his performances define his career while maintaining a healthy balance between fame and private life. Colleagues frequently describe him as hardworking, respectful, and eager to continue learning. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects successful streaming productions, acting projects, commercial appearances, and brand partnerships. More importantly, he has established himself as one of the most valuable young talents in the entertainment industry with tremendous long-term potential. What many people admire most is his genuine personality. Gordon approaches every opportunity with enthusiasm, humility, and careful preparation. Rather than relying solely on the popularity of Avatar, he continues building a reputation based on professionalism, versatility, and authentic performances. Gordon Cormier's journey is defined by steady growth instead of instant fame. From a talented young performer in Vancouver to becoming the face of Netflix's Avatar, The Last Airbender, his rise reflects dedication, resilience, and remarkable promise. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of Hollywood's next generation, talented, disciplined, and built for a lasting career. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. She did not arrive in Hollywood through decades of family fame, yet there was always something undeniably captivating about her presence. With a rare combination of confidence, elegance, and emotional depth, Elizabeth Yu didn't simply step into the entertainment industry hoping to be noticed. She gradually built a reputation as a talented young actress capable of bringing complexity and authenticity to every role. By taking on the iconic role of Princess Azula in Avatar: The Last Airbender, she introduced herself to a global audience and established herself as one of the most promising rising stars of her generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on October 6, 2002, in the United States, Elizabeth Yu developed an interest in storytelling and performance from a young age. While many aspiring actors dream of success, she focused on building the skills necessary to thrive in a highly competitive industry. Her early years were shaped by curiosity, creativity, and a determination to pursue opportunities that challenge her as both an artist and an individual. As she entered the world of professional acting, Elizabeth steadily gained experience through television and film projects. Rather than relying on shortcuts, she embraced the gradual process of developing her craft. Casting directors quickly recognized her ability to portray emotionally layered characters, while audiences responded to her natural screen presence and expressive performances. A defining milestone arrived when Netflix selected her to portray Princess Azula in the live-action adaptation of Avatar: The Last Airbender. The role carried enormous expectations due to Azula's legendary status among fans of the original animated series. Intelligent, ambitious, and exceptionally powerful, Azula is one of the franchise's most memorable characters. Elizabeth approached the challenge with dedication, balancing the character's intimidating confidence with the emotional complexity hidden beneath the surface. As the series progressed into its second season, her role became even more significant. Season 2 explores Azula's strategic brilliance, growing influence within the Fire Nation, and increasingly complicated personal struggles. These developments allow Elizabeth to showcase a broader emotional range while bringing depth to a character often defined solely by her strength and ambition. Her portrayal has generated considerable attention from viewers eager to see one of the franchise's most compelling storylines unfold. By 2026, Elizabeth Yu is widely regarded as one of Hollywood's emerging young talents. Industry professionals recognize her professionalism and versatility, while audiences appreciate her ability to bring authenticity to demanding roles. Her career reflects careful growth, built through dedication, preparation, and a willingness to embrace challenging opportunities. Away from the spotlight, Elizabeth maintains a balanced and grounded lifestyle. She values personal development, creative exploration, and maintaining strong connections with family and friends. Despite the demands of an increasingly busy career, she continues to prioritize growth both professionally and personally. Her fashion style reflects modern sophistication with a youthful edge. Whether attending premieres, interviews, or industry events, Elizabeth often chooses elegant contemporary looks that highlight her confidence without appearing overly extravagant. Her growing visibility has also attracted attention from fashion publications and lifestyle media outlets. While public curiosity often extends to her personal relationships, Elizabeth prefers to keep much of her private life away from constant attention. Instead, she focuses on her work, artistic development, and the opportunities ahead. Those who have worked with her frequently describe her as dedicated, respectful, and committed to delivering her best performance on every project. As of 2026, Elizabeth Yu's estimated net worth reflects earnings from television productions, streaming projects, film appearances, endorsements, and other professional ventures. Although still early in her career compared with many established Hollywood stars, her growing popularity suggests significant long-term potential within the entertainment industry. What many fans admire most is her ability to bring emotional nuance to powerful characters. Rather than relying solely on dramatic moments, she creates performances that feel genuine and believable. That authenticity has become one of the defining qualities of her work and a major reason why audiences continue to connect with her performances. Elizabeth Yu's journey continues to evolve with every new role. From a young performer pursuing her passion for acting to portraying one of fantasy television's most iconic characters, her rise reflects discipline, perseverance, and a genuine love for storytelling. As she continues building her career in 2026, she stands as a symbol of the entertainment industry's next generation, talented, focused, and ready for an exciting future. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.